Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our Honda Shadow Aero, 750 cc's, liquid cooled shaft drive, fuel injection, and this one's loaded with touring options. A tall touring windscreen, engine guards, highway foot pegs, saddlebags, backrest for your passenger, luggage rack. Only 7,900 miles on this beautiful shaft drive, classic style Shadow. The metallic red paint is excellent condition. Price to sell just $54.99. Come by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.